real cooking oil begins, not in a chemical factory, but from crops grown in fields. These crops provide the ingredients that go through a long process to become cooking oil. After being harvested, they are cleaned properly.
Is that full enough? Wait, push it slightly left. Got it. Got it. Okay, now it's good. Keep it moving. Almost full. Shovel it up there. Keep it steady, looks good. Copy that, flows normal.
Before the process starts, they are often tested in a lab to make sure only healthy ingredients move forward.
Reject, too small. Next sample.
After lab testing, they are sent to the factory where the real process begins. There, they are cleaned again using different methods like filtering and washing.
Looks good, steady flow. Adjusting the pressure now.
The airflow is strong today.
Yes.
Seems to be separating the seeds efficiently.
We should check the yield.
They look perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah, the yield is excellent today. Yeah. Keep it running. Will do.
The flow looks good. Quality control is stable on this batch.
The intake belt looks steady.
Temperature is holding at 85.
Check the vibration levels.
The flow looks steady today. Yes, optimal throughput. Check the pressure on valve 3. Will do, everything seems calibrated.
Once the cleaning process is complete, they are heated up. At the same time, the whole process is monitored live from a control room to improve efficiency. If you enjoy the process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
The machine is vibrating.
Hit the emergency stop.
The system's operational parameters are holding steady. Good. Let's maintain that pace.
Keep it steady. Looks good. Quality check is passed. We're moving them through. Keep stacking. We've got a lot to move. All right, this pallet's ready. Watch the lift. Keep it coming. Watch your step. Almost there.
Keep them coming. Got it, looks good. Perfect. Time to stock the shelves.